welcome to another video. Hope you had a great week. It is Friday, 3:30, getting out for about an hour on the bike. The rain has managed to stay away. It's great news, at least for a short while. Although tomorrow, Saturday, looks like it's going to be raining for the majority of daylight hours. That brings me to Sunday and the subject of this very video. Must mention my tyres. Yes, got a new front tyre on after couldn't repair a puncture. That one, you've probably been following me on my channel for a couple more months now. Finally failed, so I've got a new tyre on there. So yeah, mixture of tyre, got tanned on the front, not tanned on the back, but you know, one on the back is not ready to take off yet, so there's no point replacing it, is there? So I'll probably put in the video that the ride is most definitely on. So I'm here today just to give you the lowdown and a bit of a reminder of Sunday's ride here in the Lincolnshire Wolds. I'm just going to get off and stop pedaling for a moment. Oh, it's quite warm actually. Anyway, yeah, Sunday's ride, this Sunday, 10th of December, gravel ride. Get your gravel bikes ready, come and join me, 100 kilometres, about 30k of which is across the Lincolnshire Wolds. Some nice muddy sections in there as well. Hopefully not bog fest, but don't really know until I get up there. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all going to be pretty rideable. And then the other 65, 70k is kind of road, country lanes, things like that. We're going to go head to Brig and join the cycle path there. I'm just hoping it's not still underwater. I've just asked on a forum just to find out a bit more information. I do have an alternative route to get around that. I'm not expecting it to be fully cleared now because it's been about 3 or 4 weeks since Storm Babbitt hit Lincolnshire. So my fingers crossed. Well, not even crossing my fingers. I'm pretty sure it's going to be clear. So we're going to be riding the River Ancombe cycleway up towards a little village called Appleby, where we're going to be joining a section of main road just for a very short section of tarmac as we turn right to cross over the Hawkstow Bridge, which if you've been watching my channel for any given length of time, you will see me cross over that quite a few times. Anyway, I'm going to get back on because it's getting cold again. So yes, it's a 70-30 split, although don't let that deceive you. I mean, the bit what's off road, you know, it's going to be fantastic. You're going to enjoy it. I should mention before we get to the off-road section, there is going to be a cafe stop, Hunter's Lodge. Well, Hunter's Fishery Lodge, is that right? It's Elsham, not too far from Barnaby. If you're going to join me, check out the video below this description. There might be some last minute edits to the route just to well, since it looks like it's not going to be icy this weekend, I'm going to amend it slightly for the better of off-road. So yeah, if you download it already, delete it, get hold of it again. It's going to be some subtle changes in there, but if you're not worried about that, just follow me on the day itself. It's going to be starting at Willingham Woods, which is just on the outskirts of Market Raisin here in Lincolnshire. You can try and get there for 9 o'clock. The idea is going to leave about 9:30. The ride itself probably no longer than 5.5 hours maximum. That's including stoppage time and hiker bike time or whatever else you might have to deal with. Please do bring front and back rear lights. just in case, you know, it ends up being a bit cloudy and murky, or we finish after dark, but we should finish after dark, all being well. Mudguards optional, but I would recommend bringing mudguards along with you. Hello, little ladies. Right, anyway, hope to see you this Sunday, Willing Woods, 9 o'clock. I don't think I've missed anything. If I have, and think of it after this video, I'll pop it down in the comments. If you are coming, feel free to comment down below. If you can't make this one, equally let us know if you might be interested in something in the new year. I'm probably going to do, well, I am going to do a proper Lincolnshire Wolds route in January and February when the ground's hopefully a bit harder after, you know, a few weeks of frost and things. Right now it's a bit wet out here, isn't it? Anyway, enough of the jibber jabber. Comments down below. I'll see you on Sunday. Take care. Bye bye. You might want to bring some gloves as well.